A particle with a total energy E is moving in a potential energy regions U of x. Motion of the particle is restricted to the regions when. Among these four options, we need to find the right option here. Okay. We know that the mechanical energy, which is equal to the mechanical energy, I will write it as ME, is equal to the potential energy plus kinetic energy. We know this one. Then energy is equal to, we can write it as energy regions, that is the potential energy region, that is equal to U of x plus kinetic energy. I will write this one as K of x. Then, but kinetic energy, that is equal to, it is greater than, equal to 0 always. Q of x is always the greater than or equal to 0. Then U of x, that is the potential energy, is equal to E minus K of x. Then we can write it as U of x is less than or equal to E. There. About these four options, U of x is less than or equal to E. That is option E is our right answer. So option C is our right answer.